In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fine-tune ChatGPT. To begin, it's important to understand what fine-tuning and customization really mean. Fine-tuning is the process of teaching an AI model to perform a specific task by using custom examples and data. In a business setting, this can be especially useful for things like customer support, industry-specific knowledge, and workflow automation. That said, not everyone needs advanced technical fine-tuning to get strong results. In many cases, you can achieve something very similar by using detailed prompts and custom instructions. That's good news because it means ChatGPT can be customized effectively even if you don't have deep technical experience. A simple example would be creating an AI assistant that answers questions about your company's products. That kind of focused use case is often the best place to start because it gives you a clear goal and makes it easier to decide what information the AI needs to learn. Once your goal is defined, the next step is preparing high-quality training data. This is one of the most important parts of the process. You'll want to collect examples of ideal questions and answers, especially the kinds of interactions real users are likely to have. Use realistic scenarios from your industry so the model learns the style, tone, and subject matter that matter most. As you gather this information, make sure to remove anything inaccurate, outdated, or duplicated. Clean data leads to better responses. It also helps to keep the formatting consistent, because consistency makes patterns easier for the AI to understand. For example, a basic training pair might look like this. A user asks, "What are your business hours?" and the assistant replies, "We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Simple, clear examples like that help set the standard for how the assistant should respond. After that, you'll need to test, refine, and improve the results. Try evaluating the assistant with realistic tasks and questions rather than only obvious examples. This helps you spot errors, knowledge gaps, or inconsistent answers. When you find weak points, add new examples that address those problems and improve performance over time. It's also important to update the information regularly as your needs change. A useful prompt for this stage could be, "Act as a customer support agent and answer questions using our company policies and documentation." Finally, monitor long-term performance. Gather feedback from users and stakeholders, track accuracy and response quality, and continue updating your datasets and instructions on a regular basis. As your business evolves, you can optimize the AI for new products, services, or workflows. You can also use a prompt like, "Review these customer interactions and identify opportunities to improve future responses." With a cycle of preparation, testing, and ongoing updates, you can build a much more reliable and useful ChatGPT assistant.